So yeah guys, currently just took an entry on gold, and yeah, as you can see, currently running in deep blues, not deep blues guys, but running in deep blues, okay, because I flipped my trading account. Okay, so I just want to show you how I found this entry guys, this beautiful entry, a buy position on gold. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just going to reanalyze. You got it? Just going to reanalyze guys. Okay, show you how I found this beautiful entry. What I saw guys, I saw that we had a hook point right here, upper hook point, right? And then we had what, this inflection point. So guys, I saw that price didn't reach this hook point right here guys. It left the gap, okay, and most of the time price always reach that gap guys, most of the time. You got it? So what I did guys, let me just draw the structure. So I had something like this guys, I had something like this. I had this reversal pattern guys, this reversal pattern right here. Obviously I'm waiting for a dead touch guys, I'm waiting for a dead touch, and we had what, we had a hook point, we had this upper hook point, but I didn't identify the hook point guys. Okay, you got it? So what I and then guys, I did was guys, I went to the 15-minute time frame. I went to the 15-minute time frame to identify my structure. You got it? To identify the structure. And then guys, on the 15-minute time frame, I saw that okay, I was zooming in. We had what guys, we had this impulse breaking this higher right here, breaking this higher, and also it didn't break this high, it didn't break this high, but it did what guys, it formed a correction, correcting away from a hook point, correcting away from the hook point. So what I did guys, I just identified the structure, but I didn't take the structure guys, because I started to trade on the London session. You got it? So the structure formed on the Asian session guys, so I didn't trade that structure. Okay, but then it's a good structure guys, it's a good structure. As you can see, I identified my, okay, let me, but it's a good structure guys, it's a good structure. As you can see guys, we had what, we had a hook, we had a takeout level. So yeah guys, as you can see, we had what, our first touch, second touch was right there, and then obviously guys, our third touch, and then a 15 minutes candlestick closing above the takeout level. But then I didn't took this entry guys, I didn't took this entry, and I saw what guys, I saw this correction right here, so this correction right here. So right here guys, I played out the 2-1 technique guys, the 2-1 technique. After marking these two upper levels, obviously I take this trend line, I make a copy, and then accommodate it in this middle level right there, in this middle level right there. So I didn't, okay, I did have a hook point actually, which was this hook point right there, but it was too far from my dead touch. You got it? It was too far from my dead touch. So I used what guys, I used what we call a takeout level. A takeout level is a level within a structure. So this was my level within a structure, and price also was correcting away from this hook point guys. Price was correcting away from this hook point. So that was my other confirmation, and my another confirmation guys, I saw that price did was guys, breakout and retest. Got it? Breakout and retest. But I don't actually trade breakouts and retest guys, but if it's a breakout and retest with a structure, you got it? I don't know if I make sense guys. And another confirmation guys, I saw that okay, price did was guys, price gave us an impulse. You got it? Price gave us an impulse, and it formed a correction, and that correction is not too big compared to the impulse. You got it? So like something like this guys, if price maybe, okay, let me just show you a young example guys. So if price guys maybe impulse and then form a bigger correction, something like this, 9 out of 10 guys, this structure won't commit, because it already reached 50% of the impulse. You got it? Price mustn't reach 50% of the impulse. 50% of the impulse. I'm talking about this guys, I'm talking about this. As you can see, price already reached 50% of the impulse guys, meaning this structure is invalidated guys. This structure is invalidated. This structure is invalidated guys. Okay, so yeah guys, that was another confirmation. So yeah guys, I took the entry when price closed the 15 minutes candlestick above the takeout level right there, and then my stop loss level guys, somewhere right here below this candlestick, and then my take profit guys, it's near the dead touch guys, somewhere right there. Yeah, somewhere right there. Now 1:5. Yeah, somewhere right here, guys. Somewhere right here. 1:5. Risk reward ratio. And yeah, guys, I'm about to log in some profit. And right now I'm currently running about, let me check, 3%, guys. 3% of the profit. Not something big, but it's something else. Guys. And I just want to show you another structure, guys, on silver that I didn't took, guys, because I was already running in an entry. Got it? I was already in an entry, guys, so I didn't take the entry. But I just want to show you the analysis, guys, because it's a now one, because it's a good structure, guys. It's a good structure, honestly. So let me just go to silver, guys. So yeah, guys, let's go to silver. Just want to show you the structure, which is a nice entry, guys. It's a nice structure, guys, honestly. It's a nice structure. Currently waiting for the 4-hour candlestick to close below. If maybe gold take me out, I will take this entry, guys. I will take this entry on silver low. So let me just do my top down analysis, guys. So yeah, guys, as you can see, currently down with the buy position, guys, on gold. Yes, this was a nice entry, guys. I walked away with 4.9. So yeah, I just walked away with 4.95%, guys, of the profit, and I just made a withdrawal. As you can see, this is the withdrawal, guys, on your screen. But then yeah, this was a nice entry. So for now, guys, I'm looking for sales on gold, because why? We have what, guys? We have our hook point right here. We have our clear hook point, guys, right there. And as you can see, price already closed the 1-hour candlestick below our hook point. Okay, but I won't take the entry, guys, because I'm not trading reversal pattern, guys. This is a reversal pattern. As you can see, we had our impulsive push. Okay, let me just do like this. Yeah, we had this impulsive push, guys. Got it? And then price formed what, guys? Price formed a correction towards a hook point. You got it? So this is a reversal pattern, guys, and I'm not trading reversal pattern. I'm only trading continuation patterns. Okay, so from now on, guys, I will be looking for sales on gold, and I think it's kind of forming a structure, guys. Let me just show you the structure I'm talking about, but I'm not sure about this one, guys, because okay, let's go to the 15 minutes and show you the structure I'm talking about. And I was looking for another scaling in, guys. As you can see, I identified this smaller pattern right there, guys, a continuation pattern, but it didn't commit, but I didn't take the entry because it didn't close above my takeout level. You got it? As you can see, price didn't close above my takeout. So yeah, guys, okay, this is not a structure. I was expecting something like this, guys, an impulse going down, and then a expanding channel, guys, or maybe a normal reversal, guys, something like this. I was expecting something like this, guys. My reversal pattern. Okay, it's so that it will be clear for you, guys. I was expecting something like this. A first impulse. As you can see, we had that first impulse, guys. And then a correction, something like this. Yeah, something like this, guys. Yeah, I was expecting something like this, but as you can see, this is not a correction, guys. This is not a correction. This is a straight impulse. You got it? This is a straight impulse. And yeah, I will be not trading, guys, for today, because I just walked away with some
healthy profit, guys. I won't lie. So yeah, guys, and be sure to join the VIP mentorship, guys. I will leave my numbers in the description. Stay tuned.
So guys, I thought that I won't be trading for the day, but guess what? Gold just decided to give me a setup, guys, a setup. So currently waiting for actually, okay, yeah, it did those below above our takeouts, our hook point. So yeah, guys, currently I'm buying gold, guys. Okay, and I'm not late because I start trading at 11 until 7 p.m. So right now still got a chance, guys, and still got a chance. So yeah, buying gold 0.03 lot size, and I usually don't put the stop loss level, guys, to be honest. But so yeah, it's almost full margin, almost full margin. Okay, let me just add another last position. Nah, okay, yeah, last position. Okay, yeah. So yeah, guys, I just bought gold. I just bought gold because I'm seeing this setup, guys. This is a setup. As you can see, I don't want to even analyze, guys, because it's clear. It's clear, guys. It's clear. It's clear. 2 to 1 technique. 2 to 1 technique. We have a clear hook point right there. It closed above our hook point. So what are we waiting for, guys? What are we waiting for? Obviously, main energy is 10 and gold energy. So yeah, guys, guess what? I will be trading for today. And yeah, another update coming soon, guys. Stay tuned. So yeah, guys, this is the entry I took today, and as you can see, guys, stop loss hit, guys, and I approved my account. No cap, it's part of trading, guys. So I just want to show you why, guys, why this entry was invalidated. You get it? So okay, it's in guys. Let me reanalyze. Okay, guys. So it was during. Let me check. Around 12, guys. Around 12 break time at school. I saw this kind of setup, guys. I saw this kind of setup, this continuation pattern, guys. This is continuation pattern. Okay, and obviously I identified was got my takeout level. Okay, and yeah, I waited for a third touch, guys. I waited for a third touch, and I did receive a third touch, but the third touch was this week, guys. Was this week, and I usually don't trade. I'm a third touch on my week, guys. You get it? I usually don't trade this kind of dead touch, guys. I usually don't trade this kind of dead touch. Okay, so because I was in that FOMO mode, I took the entry right there. Yeah, when it closed above, I took the entry. Stop loss was above, below right there, and yeah, mind you, it's a full margin, guys. And yeah, TP. Okay, I didn't set the take profit to get it. And why? The reason why, guys, is that the reason why I bought my account is that I didn't follow I did follow my training plan, but I wasn't able to manage the entry properly because I was in a class, guys. I was attending a class because yeah, right, this year I'm doing grade 12, guys. I'm doing grade 12 is my last lab. You get it? So okay, and as you can see, guys, okay, I entered when this kind of stick closed above my hook point, and then price did what? And price did what, guys? Price came back to retrace the trend line once, and it came back to retrace the trend line twice, guys. You got it? So meaning this entry is invalidated, guys. I couldn't see this move, guys. So that's why I wasn't able to close my positions. You got it? Because okay, let me just explain, guys, my trading plan at all. My not my trading plan, yeah, my trading plan and my entry management, guys, my entry management. So if, guys, I see something like this, okay, let's say you are seeing something like this, guys, a buy position, right? And price, okay, let's say maybe somewhere, okay, let's say you are using it a hook point, got it, a hook point, and your hook point is somewhere right there, and then price closed above your hook point, right? And then came back, and then it went up, and then came back again, guys, to your hook point, guys. I manually close the position. You know why? Because the entry is invalidated, guys. It's invalidated. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. Obviously, the setup here, right? This is your setup, guys. This is your setup, and this is the, okay, let me identify the hook point. Okay, let's say your hook point is right there, and then price did what, guys? Price break that hook point, give you a dead touch, it closed above, and then came back again to retrace that hook point. The entry is invalidated because, guys, most of the time, 9 out of 10 is forming what? A continuation pattern, guys, for a sell. Is forming a continuation pattern for a sell. You got it? So this is my entry management, guys. I'm just giving you a free knowledge. You got it? This is a free knowledge, guys. As you can see, that's the reason why, guys. That's the reason why you see that we had what this kind of impulse, guys, flowing my trading account. But it's, yeah, it's part of trading, guys, and I'm not happy with this one because I wasn't able to manage the entry properly, and I'm happy with this loss, guys. With this loss, this entry I took yesterday, guys, this entry I took yesterday, because this is my A plus setup, and I did follow my entry management because I was available. You got it? So obviously, as you can see, guys, let me do like this. Yeah, as you can see, guys, we had what first touch was right there, okay, second touch right there, and then I received the dead touch, guys. I received my dead touch, and then price did what? Price closed this bearish candlestick above my hook point. I got it. So yeah, this is my A plus setup, guys. This is my A plus setup, and I'm happy with this loss, guys. I'm happy with this loss, but not this one, guys. No. I'm jablang like totally, but yeah, it is what it is, guys. Parts of trading, okay. And right now on gold, I'm seeing sale, guys, and I knew it's that gold is a sale, cause on the daily, on the 4 hour time frame, I'm seeing what a reversal pattern, guys. I usually don't trade reversal, I trade continuation pattern, but I saw a reversal pattern, and this is my reversal pattern, guys, and this is my reversal pattern. So yeah, gold, I'm sure, guys, we are selling, okay. I'm sure that we are selling because it already closed the 4 hour candlestick, and cover the momentum, guys. Cover the momentum. This is a momentum candlestick, guys. You see this one? This is our momentum candlestick. This is what we like to see as Falcon traders, guys, on our dead touch. You got it? So yeah, I'm confident that gold might sell. You got it? Let me show you the momentum, guys, also on the 1 hour time frame. It's a clear impulse, guys, a clear impulse. Even a beginner can see there that this one, it's an impulse, guys. We are going down. As you can see, 3 candlestick going down, guys. This is the impulse. You got it? This is the impulse. So yeah, currently I'm waiting for a correction, because we are singing on a correction, guys, okay. We are entering on a correction, and I missed this correction right there, right here, guys. This correction right here, because I didn't reanalyze. You got it? Because like I wanted to demonstrate for you guys that why that entry was a loss. You got it? So yeah, another entry missed, and I'm just going to channel it because it's entry missed, guys. You got it? So yeah, this is the entry missed I'm talking about, guys. So right here we have this kind of structure. Guys. This kind of structure, and also we had a takeout level.